Hello again, this is Old Man PHP. I create PHP video tutorials for the old guys who want to learn a new skill, compete with the young crowd. I know I keep saying the same thing in my intro, but that's what I'm doing. This is video number, as you can see there, 124Q. Now this is the error message. You know how we've been creating, the inserting and updating and deleting a record from a table, but we get this little thing that says error, ERR equals 1 or whatever it is that we gave them. I guess I can, let's see if we can go here and check. Was it here? Let's take a quick look. Where are we? See, we got this one, error, catch-up, failure, and we got the numbers. The ones with the numbers is the one. That one I should have gave it a number, but I probably will do that when I see number 13, this type of thing, right? Dashboard, error 13. We're going to redirect after you have done this part. After this part has done, it'll redirect to the dashboard with a query string. You put a question mark, whatever array. Not array, a variable. This time, of course, you're not going to put the $sign. Right? It's going to be ERR. That will be your query string equals to 13. And then when you go check, you will check the ERR. That will be using the get. Anyway, you see these numbers, right? We got it throughout the whole place. So we'll go to the dashboard. And what I did was, where is it? Okay, right here. Let's go here. If let's do the username and password. Okay. See how we got this stuff here? Let's try. What is one of the things we normally use for condiment? Salt and pepper. Let's do the salt and pepper. So we go salt, pepper, which is great. Do that to other meats because it helps digest all the other nutrients. So let's do salt and pepper because I try reaching down here. I want, let's say 40 bottles. Each one of these bottles costs, I'm going to tell you if I don't know. I'm just guessing. So 12, let's say $12. Little bottles. Right, and of course, who's the supply? Amazon. Usually, you will put here whatever the supplier is. You can even put the supermarket name and stuff, right? And if it goes below 40, let's say if it reaches, let's do 10. And where's this located? Where you have this located? Do you have it in some kind of warehouse? Where is it? It's in the kitchen, right? It's in your kitchen. So you say kitchen. Then you say, okay, what is it? It's not a condiment. Usually these categories, we're going to have a whole bunch. Trust me. Just right now, I don't know. These are two ones that I kind of remember that I know of. There's a lot more, of course, vegetables and those kind of things. All right, let's see. So categories would be, I'll find out what they are, and then I'll add them. So condiment, and of course, remember this, firewall. Catcher, and then let me see, salt and pepper. We got everything. Boom. Oh, look at this. We got a message. It says here, success. We gave it that green look. New item added to your inventory. I called it inventory. I'm going to change it to, why did I change it? Because before I had, this is one of the first things I had before building this completely. This is one of the first things I came up with. Didn't talk about it then. I guess I just wanted to wait till I get all these little pieces done before hitting this. So I'll have to change that. You change it to whatever the table it is, right? So it says yeah, inventory, right? And so if you go to look, where's your salt and pepper? Here it goes. Let's bring this up a little bit of this. Salt and pepper, remember that's your SKU, 40, 12. Now, let's say I wanted to change the quantity. Instead of 40, that will be a lot of, I mean, a lot of those things kind of last a long time. I mean, you can have one of those little bottle things that it'll last you a year. So if you say, so let's go to the edit. So we'll go to the edit, right? And where we say, I should jump over here. Maybe I should put this above. I mean, I don't know, that'll be good. So we go to the edit, and let's say we want to change it to 30. How about that? Oh, look at that, 30. And of course, you gotta do this. And of course, that's it. And I want to go boom. And there you go. Look, updated. The record has been modified successfully. Look at that. And when you go, of course, it did. Look, 30. Now, let's say we want to get rid of it. Let's just get rid of it. Let's hit the delete button. Let's see. The delete button right here. And look at that. I made it red. It's pinkish. You know, I gave it that. The what is that? The opacity. I kind of lowered it. So made it. Or is it higher? No, lowered it. So that we can kind of see through. And look, you deleted an item has been removed. You know what's also a good idea to have when maybe I was thinking that when you delete something from somewhere, a major thing, you get an email, but that would be too much. I guess we'll do a table. No, it's already. I mean, we got the transaction table. That should show. Yeah, yeah. That's one thing I do want to check. A way of checking the transaction table, and of course the stuff that we're getting soon that I'm going to be doing after we have taken this supplier and made it into the categories, because right now categories not doing anything. So once we get that done, that will be a video, of course. We're going to copy everything from here, and then we're just going to rename. We'll do it together. How about that? So that's it. We got it all there, because you got to remember, man, it's a great idea to have these little messages. I was thinking about putting it like right here. Listen in the comment below, man. Like, what do you think? Should I have it over here, or is it a good idea to have it on top? I mean, a lot of places I see it on top, so why not? Since it kind of jumps to, you get it right over. Yeah, we'll keep it there. But if you think it'll be better, like in the middle somewhere, let me know. All right, so it's actually, listen. What can I say? That is a real good spot, right? To put the messages always below, because since it's jumping, it'll go straight to the top of the page. You can make it jump by putting the slash and class name on there, and it will jump to here. But because we're going straight up and want to see the messages, that's why it comes up to the top like that, which is a good idea. Always below the navigation, because this ensures that the user sees that confirmation immediately, right? After the page reloads, when you what is that? Redirect using the header, right? Navigating, and without having to scroll to check things out. So why not? We'll jump in all that. Now, since we're already using like Bootstrap, we could have used the alert component to make the message look cleaner. That's okay. That's a good idea anyway. It's clean as it is. You got your logic, right? Always below. But if you think this is the best place, I'm gonna have to say it actually is the best place to have it, because once you start adding these little things, deleting, because I mean right now we're just doing that. But you know something, we'll have it for the suppliers, and we also have it for the sorry guys, I just put my finger in my eye, so yeah, salty hands, you know. I'm tearing up here. I don't know why I did that, but I did. And then of course, again, why the display placing it there? Because what, visibility, right at the top area, people can watch. And when you refresh or up there, whatever you do, it'll be straight there. It's like the natural eye level, right? When you're sitting there. Using the alert dismissible class, like for the what is it, the button-close, that allow you to do that K. See that X right here? So I can go like this and get rid of it, right? You see that, right? Something's. Am I doing this right? Something is wrong there. We're gonna have to see what the story is with that. That's for sure. Or maybe I didn't get it to work yet. Alright, let's go over here then. So if I go over here, this is what I did. I added right here. I'm gonna see right below the nav. See the nav right there? I added it over here. I set a container MT3, those three, columns, and it stops right here. Where is it? Where's the stop? Right here. Let me see a little space right here. See? And then, of course, we don't have much. I mean, what do we have? We got the case. Remember how we did the switch? Remember that ERR? This is the dollar. That's what gets the query string they get. Remember you sent something, you said equals to 1 or equals to 2 or whatever the other one was, the 13. Right now we got 1, like for this, we got 2 for that, we got 3 for that, we got 4 for that. We can't put that, we'll find out what the actual, where is it? We got this, we got the alert dismissal. Maybe, wait a minute. Let's look. Where is it? It will be at X equals X. That's a button. Maybe they like, you know something, we're gonna have to, let's see. I don't know, sometimes when you, let me see. Why didn't it work? The X. What is this? I don't know. Why am I looking at this? That's interesting. Let's see. That's the alert button. I get it. I think I didn't want to spend a lot of time on this because it is not what you call it. Gives you the alert. I get that. I understand that. That's what this is right here. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I'm having a hard time. I need to, like I always complain, I need a bigger computer, man. I don't know. It doesn't look right. You would think. That's your 13. Gotcha, missing. That's great. For the box, maybe I hit it. Your message, that's what this is. This message right here is what sits. Where is it sitting? Right there. And the alert, okay, it's right in here. blue, green, 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 green. That was great. Another green right here. See? But the must be missing something, but let's see. I don't know. I'll find out. Maybe it's new. I mean, I thought I was using the right version. I'll tell you that Bootstrap sometimes, hey, don't worry about it, buddies. We'll get that fixed. Let's see. Okay, that's a problem. On the next video, we're gonna go straight to the other thing, but I'll give you the first few minutes. I'll give you this part. Why isn't this working for my Bootstrap? Why isn't the Bootstrap working for me? That's X is, where is it? That's it right there. That's it right there. That's the name of it. Dismissal. Using the, let me see. By us doing this, button, that allows me to clear out that message. And I've done it before, but what? Is it possible that I'm having problems with my? I swear I had that working. This was working. I did not change anything. This was working. I'll tell you what. Let's see if we can do this. Man, I didn't want to go here to clean this out because sometimes it ruins. Which one is it? No, that's not what I want. Where is that thing? Where is it? Maybe it's over here. No. I need to have this. No. You would think. What would be the services? No. Well, I don't know. I had that thing working for me. I don't know if it's the computer. I'm gonna have to look that up. How about we let's change something. Get that message. Where is it? Let's go back to, I want 50. Is that 50? Over here. Boom, and then I can't believe it. It's not working for me. Why did I had this working? This little. Anyway, we're gonna on the next one. Once I find out what the story is with the Bootstrap, I'll go look at it. Because right now we're looking at this. This is what we got right now. See, we open up a div. Remember, everything is boxes. That's what's below this nav. See the nav right there? Well, that's the nav. That's what this is. It's below that. We're getting the messages correct, right? We're getting that correct because you see it. It's correct. Then the dollar message, if it's this, that's when you get this. This is when you get this. And then you go, wait a minute. I see something weird. You got alert, the whole divs, it says equal to that, and dollar message. You're getting a message, but well, guys, I don't know. I'm looking at this here, and it's doing everything correct. This is your message that you're getting right in the smack in the middle. Smack in the middle. Smack in the middle with you. Oh, smack in the. I want to try something. And we're going to say that. Let's push this over. I know it doesn't make any sense, but let's give it a shot. Then we're going to do this. That. And we're going to put won't work because it's still looking for. Yeah, let's see. That's a good thing. Let's save this. I know. Your screen sucks. I understand. People. Oh yeah, why is this taking so long? Let's do this all over. Let's go here. Let's do some scratch. Let's do this thing. Let's change the mango back to 30. Let's 40. Make sure you get this right, because you might have changed your mind. That's why they do that. And you got that. There you go. Message, and then it still doesn't work. That is the most outrageous thing. Don't know. Either way, either or, it doesn't work. Why? Sing the song. Well, guys, I don't know why that button. I'm gonna find out. I gotta go to Bootstrap and see why I might be doing that wrong. I don't know the remember. It's been a while, but once again, anyway, you know you're getting the messages, so that's the important thing. You already know you're getting the message. I like to get rid of this like this. It was sometimes, you know why I do that? Because sometimes no. That's right. This is how it's done. Listen, put this in within the div, right? Because you're starting JavaScript because you're already embedding it. You say, oh, is that equal to error? Yes, it is. And then you're going to say message is 0 because you're cleaning it up. You're going to say alert info, right? That's your default blue. Then it's going to go switch. Switch is an if and else if type stuff. But instead of doing it like this, you get a message. It says, oh, this is number 1. It's going to pick that number. If you had a 2, like case 2, it would be 2, 3, whatever. But right now we only have 1, 7, 8, catch, missing, and 13. If we think of anything else, then I'll put it in. Then the case, right? Number 1, it gives you, remember these double quotes? You got to make sure you put those in there. And of course, you create your variable by putting everything that you have, right? All this stuff, or the wording. And then, of course, alert message, that's going to be green. And of course, you break out of it, otherwise, it'll continue going down the line. So you have to break out of it. And that's why this. And if you go, you do the next one, then the next one, and then the next one, and then that's it. And this is the one that does the thing, right? So if it goes, let me see what this says first. Let me see where that is. Okay, that's good. That's a cool situation there. And that's it. If you message me, if you do have a message, get it, you did put a message in there. Remember how you started out with nothing inside the variable? Then you put something in it. So now there's something in there that equals to number 1, right? Number 1. Off and on type thing. Now it's on. Number 1. There is something in there. So then that's why when you go if this, that means if it equals to, if there is something in there, then do this. If you were to put like a exclamation, that means if it's not, you will never see the message. I don't know why it's not doing it. I hate when that happens, but I look for it and then I will give it to you in the next video. This is it. This is all it is. That's all we needed. Because all the hard work was been done already. And that's what that is. Okay. Hey man, I hope you learned something. And I know, hey, sometimes I get, you know, I'll find out and then I'll let you know, because that's happened before, right? And we have found solutions. Well, you know, you being here right from this video or from the current video. So hey, I will get that fixed because we need to get that fixed. Otherwise, what's the? I mean, it's okay. You know what I mean? It's not a big deal, but you want to have it working. That's the bottom line. Anyway, thank you very much. Please give me a thumbs up, and if you want to comment on something, please let me know and subscribe. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. Until the next time. Good night.